Today, we're diving into an innovative learning tool that makes mastering Spanish vocabulary not only effective, but also fun. Let's explore how it can transform your journey in learning Spanish. This application is designed to help users learn Spanish vocabulary through the use of flashcards. It offers a user-friendly interface that allows learners to engage with words and phrases in a visually appealing way. The flashcards typically feature images, audio pronunciations, and example sentences, making it easier for users to memorize and understand the context of each word. The application often includes various features such as spaced repetition, which optimizes the learning process by reviewing words at intervals based on the user's retention. Users can track their progress, participate in quizzes, and customize their learning experience by selecting specific topics or themes. This approach not only enhances vocabulary retention, but also makes the learning experience interactive and enjoyable. Thank you for joining us today. We hope this overview has inspired you to try out this fantastic tool for learning Spanish. Happy learning!